Hello everyone, welcome in craftingwheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a strawberry hair clip, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please do subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Elise Baby's cream yarn, 2 color red and green, and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring, then make 3 chains, and make 8 double crochet stitches into the magic ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I will come back. Then I will start round 2. I will make a chain and turn our work, then make single crochet into the next 9 stitches as shown now. Then I will start a new round. I will make a chain and turn our work, then skip next stitch and make single crochet into the next 8 stitches across the row. Then start new round. I will make a chain and turn our work, then skip next stitch and make single crochet into the next 7 stitches across the row. Then start new round. I will make a chain and turn our work, then skip next stitch and make single crochet into the next 6 stitches as shown now. Then start a new round. I will make a chain and turn our work, then skip next stitch and make single crochet into the next 5 stitches. Then start a new round. I will make a chain and turn our work, then skip next stitch and make single crochet into the next 4 stitches. Then start new round. I will make a chain and turn our work, then skip next stitch and make single crochet into the next 3 stitches across the row. Then start a new round. I will make a chain and turn our work into the next stitch and make single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Then I will make a chain and make single crochet into every stitch across the row. I will work horizontally as shown now. Then make 4 single crochet stitches around the next double crochet into the left, into the end of the round as shown now. Now I continue making single crochet into every stitch horizontally as shown now until I arrive to the double crochet stitch into the round 1 of the strawberry. Now I finished single crochet stitches as shown now and arrive to the double crochet stitch here. I hope that obvious for you. Then I will make 4 single crochet stitches around the double crochet and close with slip stitch into the middle of the strawberry in round 1 of the strawberry. Here I finished 4 single crochet stitches. Then I will make slip stitch here into the middle of the round. Then I will make 4 single crochet stitches into around the double crochet and continue making the single crochet into every stitch across the row into the opposite side as shown now. I will make it and I will come back. Then I cut our yarn and I will join the green color yarn here into the middle of the strawberry shape. Then I will make 4 chains and turn our work and make half double crochet into the next 4 stitches as shown now into the next 4 chains. Now I finished first half double crochet, the second half double crochet, and the third half double crochet, and that is fourth and the last half double crochet stitch. Then I will close with slip stitch into the middle of the strawberry here, the middle of the top. Then I will make another 4 stitches, 4 chains, and close with slip stitch here into that position here to make the leaves for the strawberry. Then make 4 chains again and close them with slip stitch into the middle again, as shown now. Then I will make another 4 chains again and close with slip stitch here into the middle of the strawberry of the round, first round. Then make another 4 chains again and close with slip stitch into the middle of round 1 for the strawberry. Then I will make 4 chains again and close with slip stitch into the round 1 for the strawberry, as shown now, here into the position, and make another 4 chains again and close with slip stitch into the middle of the top for the strawberry, as shown now. Then I will use the tapestry needle and white yarn to make that white dots on the strawberry, as shown now. I will make it around the strawberry shape and I will come back. Now I finished that crochet strawberry with the shape, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please do subscribe and share and like this video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.